Thanks for your interest in becoming a member of the network.org, a social media site where membership pays. Today, we'll be doing a tutorial over the four different ways of how to actually enter the site. The first way is if you are a current member, you would go into the login page, press login. Once you press login, you would put in all of your user credentials. Once you put those user credentials in, then you would press login, and that would take you to your home screen. The second way would be by invitation code. And you usually receive an invitation code by a variety of different ways, but the most common way is probably going to be from an invitation email, which is a referral from a current member. So let's take a look at that referral email and see what it looks like. This is the referral email, and this is sent by a current member to a potential member. Here in the red, this is where the actual member's name will be that actually refer to you. So let's go down, take a look at the invitation link and the invitation code. The invitation link takes you directly to the introduction page of the website, and the invitation code does the same exact thing. But rather than using the code right now, let's go ahead and select the invitation link. As you can see, the invitation link sends you directly to the introduction page. The introduction page tells you everything about the website, gives you benefits, tells you specifically what to expect, gives you all the information that you need in order to make an informed decision. One of the biggest things and most important things is to make sure you listen to the introduction video. The introduction video gives a lot of great information, and plus the animation is great also. Okay, now let's go back to the invitation. And as you can see here on the invitation code is right underneath the invitation link. So what we'll do here is we'll come in, we'll copy that code. Once we copy that code, we'll go back to the website. And once we go back to the website, remember we had already selected invitation code. So now we'll actually place that invitation code here in this box. Once we've placed that invitation code into the box, now we'll press submit. Once we press submit, as you can see, we are back on the introduction page. Same exact page, just a different way of getting there. That's it. Okay. And for another common way is, say, for instance, if you're just wanting to look for the network.org and find out about what is the network.org. I've heard many people talk about it. So what is the network.org? I don't have an invitation code. I'm not a current member, so I can't log in. So this is what we'll do. We actually have a place where you could go and receive an invitation code. So if you are visiting the site for the first time and interested in learning more about the site, you will need to click here to receive an invitation code. So let's click here and see what happens. We click there, and what happens is it asks for an email address. And what you'll do is you put your email address there. Since this is a test, we'll use a test email address. Okay, once we enter that email address information, then we'll press get code. Once we press get code, as you can see at the bottom, it lets you know that the invitation code has been sent to your personal email address. And we go in, take a look at that email. And this is what the email looks like. As you can see at the top of the page, there's the invitation code. We'll double click and we'll copy that code. Now, since we've copied that code, we'll go back to our login screen. Once we go back to our login screen, we will paste that code in the text field and we'll press submit. And as you can see, we press submit and it takes you right back to the introduction page where all of the information is for the website. Well, this concludes the tutorial for how to log into the network.org. And I hope this was very helpful. Can't wait to see you guys inside. Have a great day.